I'm at the supermarket now. What do you need? I need some bread and milk. Do you want anything else? Yes, please. Some apples and eggs. Okay. Do you like green apples? Yes, I do. They are sweet. I like red apples better. Me too, but both are good. Where is the bread aisle? It is near the back wall. Thank you. I see it now. No problem. Let's get milk next. The milk is in the cold section. Oh, yes. I found it. Do we need food for dinner? Yes, maybe pasta and sauce. That sounds easy and good. Can you carry the basket? Sure. It is not too heavy. Great. We have everything now. Wait, we forgot the eggs. Oh, right. Thank you for remembering. Let's go to the checkout line. Yes. I can pay today. That is very kind of you. You're welcome. It helps us both. This store is nice and clean. Yes, and the people are friendly. I like shopping with you. Me too. It is fun together. Shall we go home now? Yes, let's go home and cook. Good idea. Bye. And thank you. Bye. See you later. Vocabulary 1. Bread, food made from flour. I bought bread for breakfast. 2. Milk, a white drink from cows. The milk is cold. 3. Apples, round fruit. Apples are sweet and crunchy. 4. Eggs, food from chickens. We need 6 eggs. 5. Aisle, a walking path in a store. The bread is in that aisle. Useful expressions 1. Do you need anything else? Ask if more help is needed. 2. Let's get it next. Say what to do after that. 3. I found it. Say you have seen what you wanted. 4. That sounds good. Say you like an idea. 5. Let's go home now. Say it is time to leave. Pronunciation practice. Repeat these sentences aloud. 1. Do you want anything else? 2. The milk is in the cold section. 3. We forgot the eggs. 4. Let's go to the checkout line. 5. I like shopping with you. Mini quiz 1. Where are they? A. At school. B. At the supermarket. C. At the airport. 2. What do they forget? A. Bread. B. Milk.